Hi, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna explain and answer the question, what is backend? In computer world, the backend refers to the part of website or software that users can't see. In other words, it's like everything that happened before the page is displayed in a browser. It's responsible for storing and organizing data and ensuring everything on the client side actually works. And to be a backend developer, you need to learn some programming languages. I will mention them for you later. So, to make the things more clear for you, to distinguish between what is front-end and what is back-end, let's go to the next page. So here, it's you, the user on a boat, and that option is your browser. When you click on a website link, a page will appear for you, contain photos, text, videos, or anything else. It's like the mountain here. You can see it and interact with it. It's the same like the front-end in any website. Otherwise, you can't see what's under the mountain, the base of that mountain, and what makes it steady. And that reminds us of the concept of a backend in any website. The backend communicates with the frontend, sending and receiving information to be displayed as a web page. All the websites you know works like that, like Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, Google, Twitter, and even YouTube where you are watching this video now. You click to the video you wanted, then the backend did his job and made changes on your page to show you the video you have chosen. So now you know in any website there is backend and frontend. And the difference between them is the backend refers to the server side of the application, and it constitutes that happens behind the scenes, and it's the brain of the website that's never visible to end users. Otherwise, the front end refers to the client side of the application, and it's part of the website that users can see and interact with it, and it forms the basis of what users can see and touch and experience on their web page or in their web browsers, of course. So, as well, you can build static websites without any backend code, and it only contains text and photos and icons and stuff like that, but the users can't interact with them. Instead, by adding backend code to your website, it will be more interactive with the user, and that's what the backend developer do. It let him make really useful websites and good websites with different ideas, like video sharing platforms, online writing communities, photo sharing websites, and even e-commerce platforms. Or everything in one website. Why not? Let's take an example about how the backend really works. Now, when you fill out a contact form or make a purchase or any user interaction on the client side, your browser sends a request to the server side, which returns informations in the form of front-end code that the browser can interrupt and display. And it also can save the information you wrote or get them from the database. So, your website needs a database to manage all the customers and products information. The database stores contents in structure that makes it easy to retrieve, organize, edit, and save data. So, your app still contains front-end code, but it also has to be built using languages that database can recognize. Some common backend languages are PHP, Python, Java, and Ruby. And here is the sample code to add two integers in these different languages. We see that the code in PHP is shorter, but it's not only about the numbers of lines to choose the right language for you. I will talk about how to choose the right language for you to learn in another video, don't worry. So we talked about the backend and what does it do in a website. But you are wondering now if it's really worth the effort and time to learn it, and how much money you can earn from it. I will tell you how much money you can earn from working as a freelancer on your home. In different platforms, I have chosen for you these three: Freelancer, and Upwork, and People Per Hour. I have searched in each website of those three in a job for a backend developer, and here what I found. I found a lot of jobs and I have chosen these three. Yeah, you can see this man is willing to pay $600 on People Per Hour, and this one is approximately $500. So you see, I think it's worthy. So to be a backend developer, you only need time and hard work, of course. And now you can distinguish between the job of designer who works for the front end and the developer who coded the backend and gave a brain to the website. I will make more videos about the web developments with more details in the near future. So in the end, if you like this video, please subscribe for more technology and programming content from us. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.